This is a kid video. Today we're gonna do the box game.
Okay, go ahead and open it up. And tell us what you see in there. Come on. What's that?
Those are the pieces.
I guess it isn't going to come out of the box. You might have to cut it.
Oh, probably.
Here, now try. Ah! You can tear it. Okay. So we'll take a look at these shapes. There's a whole bunch of different shapes here. Okay. Tell us what those are.
These are the, I think these are the shapes. This is a star, and this is a square, and this is a square, and this is a circle.
Those are good shapes. Tell us what color they are.
And there's there's purple, blue, and green, and red.
So could you maybe put all the purples in a pile for us and all the blues in a pile while we work on getting the little bug out? We had Big Brother's help with getting the bug out, so we'll let you do that. Thank you, Big Brother.
Mama.
This looks like a fun game for little kids too. Little baby brothers. And show us what the bug does.
Ooh, can you spot a star?
No. Red circle.
Find a circle. How about a star?
So what do you guys think? Does this look fun?
Grab a square.